Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hidayah. I am from Class C and my major is English Education, West Sulawesi University. And today I want to explain material about multiple intelligences by Gardner. Multiple intelligence is one of the theories of intelligence that gets a lot of recognition lately. This theory was figured by Gardner, a psychologist from Harvard. At first, Gardner found 7 types of intelligence, but then developed into 8 and discussed the possibility of 9th intelligence. Definition: intelligence. Gardner defines intelligence as the ability to solve problems and produce products in a variety of settings and in real situations. Based on this stance, it can be understood that intelligence is not a person's ability to answer a key text question in a closed space that is released from the environment. However, intelligence contains a person's ability to solve real problems and in a variety of situations. Gardner emphasized the ability to solve real problems because someone has high intelligence capabilities if he can solve a real-life issue, not only in theory. The more someone is skilled and able to solve the problem of life whose situation various and complex, the higher the intelligence. Gardner's discovery about one's intelligence has changed the concept of intelligence. According to Gardner, one's intelligence is measured not with a writing test, but how can someone solve real problems in life. As for the types of intelligence from the picture, there are 8, namely musical, kinesthetic, interpersonal, linguistic, mathematical, naturalistic, interpersonal, and visual. Next, Gardner points out that each intelligence has different characteristics, can be categorized into one particular type of intelligence. When associated with the core components are as follows. The first, verbal or linguistic intelligence. This intelligence is indicated by a person's sensitivity in sound, structure, meaning, word, function, and language, such as communicate oral and write, fabricating stories, discussion, and follow the debate of a problem, learn forage, language, good at making jokes, good at making poetry, right in grammar. And 2, logical or mathematical intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by sensitivity to logical patterns and has the ability to digest these patterns, including numerical, and able to process the flow long thought, such as count, analyze count, discover function and relationship, estimate, predict, and experiment. The third, visual or spatial intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the sensitivity to perceive the visual spatial world directly occurred and transforms initial perception, such as architecture, building, decor, air appreciation, design, floor plan, create and research maps. And 4, bodily or kinesthetic intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the ability to control body movements and manage objects, such as expressed in a expression or style, athletics, dance, and do the dance, strong and skilled in fine motor. 5. Musical or rhythmic intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the ability to create and appreciate rhythm, pitch pattern, and tone color, appreciation of form of musical expression. Example: compose melodies and lyrics, small sing and whistle, easy to recognize, read, learn, and remember which lyric. And 6. Interpersonal intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the ability to digest and respond appropriately to atmosphere, temperament, motivation, and the desire of others. Such as example, take care and educate other people, communicate, interact. And 7. Interpersonal intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the ability to understand its own feelings and ability to distinguish emotions, knowledge of strength and self-weakness. So, example, fantasy, dream, explain value and trust, control feelings, develop different feelings and opinions. And the last, naturalist intelligence. This intelligence is characterized by the expertise of distinguishing members of a species, recognize the existence of other species, and map the relationship between several species, both formally and informally, such as analyze equations and difference, like plants and animals, classify flora and fauna, collection flora and fauna, find patterns in nature. Key points in multiple intelligences theory. According to the theory of multiple intelligences, there are several things that need to be considered. The first, everyone has egg intelligence. It's just that everyone's profile may be different. There are also high in all types of intelligence. There are also only average and high in 2 or 3 types of intelligence. The second, people can develop each intelligence to the level of educate mastery. Intelligence can be stimulated, developed to the highest limit through enrichment, good support, and teaching. The third, intelligence generally works together in complex ways. In daily activities, intelligence in one result, kicking balls, self-orientation in the field, or spatial submitting protests to repairs, or linguistic and interpersonal. And the fourth, there are many ways to be smart in every smart person category. Linguistics may not be good at writing, but they are good at telling stories and talking stunningly. Impression of multiple intelligences in education. In the multiple intelligences concept, individual differences of students are accepted and served by a well-founded belief, as Gardner stated that we are so different because we essentially have different combinations of intelligence. If we are aware of this, at least we have a better chance of being able to cope effectively the various problems we face in life in the world. Multiple intelligences application in education will cause educators to be wiser and able to appreciate and facilitate child development. So, thank you very much. That's an explanation of multiple intelligences, more and less. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.